Hello, here are some tips for improving the efficiency of the matching command. So here I've got this model where we're missing the corner fillet. So I'm just going to really quickly pop something in here just to show you some funky tools. Alright, so let's go straight for a blend. So I'm going to choose a blend surface. I'm just going to blend from here to here, just as a first shot. Remember, I can grab these handles to nudge it in a little bit, so you can see where it's crossing over a little bit on that side. So maybe I want to manually pull that back there and pull that back. Okay, I can tidy that up later. I'm just getting myself to a good starting place. That'll do. Okay, now I'm going to use the new mouse menu where I can use the right mouse button to exit a command. Now I'm going to go back into my mouse menu and go for matching, and this is where we can speed some things up. So if I click near this edge right here, it picks the edge and the reference in one click. So the reference is in blue, the patch of modifying is in white. And what we want to do is just go for the OK. I could go over here and push OK, but again, using the new mouse menu, if I hold, it's, for me on my keyboard, it's the backslash button. It's the one next to the shift under my left hand. So there we go. We've got select, OK, and exit. So if I hit the middle mouse button, it's the same as pushing OK here. So if I push OK, there we go. So if I want to do the other side, I can let go and repress, and then with the left mouse button I need to do a double click, so the first deselects, the second reselects. So that's now selected, and then I push it again, and then I can, middle mouse button does it. And again down at the bottom, so I push the button, I go 1, 2, and then I hold it again and I go middle. So it's not quite the same as having a shortcut on the reference and the edge. We cannot do this. We don't have the ability to do that yet, but this is getting close. But here we have a messy looking thing, so let me just tidy that up a little bit. I'm going to drop into matching and just show you something maybe you don't know, something you've not seen before. So again, I'm going to go into control point manipulation, and I'm going to use the plane with the 3-point option. So I'm going to work on this patch, and you can see I've been practicing already. What happens is with the 3-point, it's going to align the control points to a plane based on these things. So we have trace, 3-point, approximate, and free. And 3-point means it's going to fit a plane through the first control point, the last control point, and the control point I pick. So if I carefully pick here, see what happened? It automatically put all these control points on a plane. And if I do that again on this one, so if I pick, I'm picking this row, and if I pick close enough to this control point, this will be the third point of the 3 points that the plane goes through. So if I pick here, watch what happens. There you go. So it's a kind of a quick control point alignment that works off of the off a plane, so rather than having to manually do it. And there we go. So I'm not saying it's a perfect fillet, but it's not too bad. And there we are. I hope that helps.